Hey there, fellow campers, and welcome to our campsite review of the Mabalingwe Caravan Park outside of Bela. It's about 2 hours north of Joburg and a little over an hour from Pretoria. It's an ideal overnight stop when traveling to Botswana, perfect distance for a weekend getaway, and it has enough going on to crack the nod for your annual holiday. It's tar all the way on both the roads, and the campsite are suitable for all types of camping and vehicles. It's easy to miss the entrance at twilight or in low light conditions, so just keep an eye on the GPS for the turnoff. Complete the requirements at the gate and immediately turn right to find the Caravan Park reception building, which again is on your right. About 1 kilometer down the road and through the entrance, you'll be looking for your well-marked pre-allocated campsite. Over normal weekends, occupancy varies from about 50% to 100% year-round. In winter, it's often as much as 6 to 8 degrees warmer than Joburg. Summers can be hot, but the odd rain shower often cools things down. And with the layout of the camp under magnificent trees, it really lends itself to those warmer months. Winter is relatively short, really just June, July, and August, with the shoulder seasons of spring and autumn being very comfortable. Rain mostly falls in December and January, with patchy rain from February to April. There are sites that are paved, 100% shade and no grass, and these are ideal for those hotter months. Then there are sites with a paved area, partial shade throughout the day, and some grass. And then there are totally grassed sites in the full sun without a paved slab. These are really wonderful in the winter months and for anyone who's wanting to exercise their solar panels. If you are on one of these grassy sites, please remember to bring your net ground sheet so that the grass can be healthy for the next visitor. On setting up, you'll find a mobile braai and a power point with a 3-pin domestic style plug. We always recommend that you bring your own braai grid. There's no shortage of dustbins or water taps. There are 3 ablution blocks with separate ladies and gents facilities. They are clean, neat and relatively modern, and the cleaning staff are always close on hand. The flush toilets, shower cubicles and bathrooms all have solid doors, and the shower cubicles have a dry area with a small bench and hooks for hanging towels and clothes. Outside of the ablutions are communal dishwashing sinks and a deep sink for washing clothes. There's also a temporary open-air laundry behind ablution block 3 for which you prepay at the shop. There's a character-filled bar that serves meals and takeaways. Their generously sized pizzas, freshly made in a wood-burning pizza oven, are served while the cheese is still bubbling, and they are especially popular. A very well-stocked shop offers more than just the basics of wood and ice, but there's no doubt that ice creams are their top seller. Next to the shop is a liquor kiosk that sells everything from wines to beers and spirits. Outside the shop are 2 swimming pools, one heated and one not. The pool area is surrounded with lovely grass and some shade trees and a few lounges scattered around. A great place for a quick cool-off or where the kids will happily spend the entire day taking turns on the water slides. Behind the bar, there's a small putt-putt course and a large playground with lots of obstacles and activities for the little ones. During the holiday, there are activity programs for young and old. Now, don't be surprised if your campsite is visited by a lot of birds, nyala, warthogs, monkeys, and banded mongooses. These are wild animals, and the monkeys and mongooses in particular are very skilled at raiding and stealing food. So if you want to enjoy those burger rolls when you get back from the pool, rather stow them in the van. Once you've experienced all there is to see and do in the campsite, you can book a morning or evening game drive, visit the Predator Park, or saddle up for some horse riding in the game viewing area. You're also welcome to explore the game areas in your own car. Just stick to the main roads and you'll be fine. There is a 4x4 trail up Vodacom Hill with spectacular views from the top. It's not particularly challenging to man or machine. It's very rocky and bumpy and definitely only for 4x4s, but it's worth the adventure. Mabalingwe is a big 5-game area, but the lions are kept in a separate enclosure for the safety of owners and guests. There are feeding sessions early on Sunday and Wednesday mornings, but if this doesn't suit, inquire as to when the next tour may be going. In the general game area, whether in your own car or on a guided game drive vehicle, you have the chance to see elephants, giraffe, wildebeest, zebra, hippo, kudu, waterbuck, impala, bushbuck, nyala, and much more. Squirrels, mongooses, birds and bugs all coexist in abundance in this area of natural beauty and biodiversity. A visit to Kalahari Oasis is always fun, especially for the young at heart. The location of the old Ya But Ya Swa Castrol Ads is today a place for loud music and a party vibe. The decor alone is worth a visit. It's the very definition of character and ambiance. For those wanting a drink in a quieter location, take the 15-minute drive up to the Mabalingwe timeshare area, where the bar overlooks a magnificent stretch of water while you're listening out for the fish eagles. There's also a top-rated spa here where you can book a full-body massage or a beauty treatment to melt the stress of the city away. A quick recap on the amenities and facilities. Just 2 hours from Joburg, a little over an hour from Pretoria. Good weather year-round, varied activities within Mabalingwe, while nearby you can find a game of golf, go ziplining, visit the famous hot springs in town, and much, much more in the greater area. But you will have to leave your fur babies at home. Mabalingwe is not pet-friendly. Long stay rates and pensioner discounts are available. Whether you're looking to test your setup before a long trip, have a short break from the city, or plan your annual holiday, Mabalingwe is worth your consideration.